Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be playing Hellrail's Scary Train by Mindem Games. I don't know, how scary can this game be? Okay, let's get started. Okay, so right off the bat, I literally go into this centaur wannabe and whatever that is, a dinosaur? Alright,
Doors are closing. Please
oh, this train looks safe, right? But why is it built like that? Can I go in here? No. Oh, what? Guys, if I disappear, tell my teddy bear I loved it. Let's see. What the, is this orange juice? This reminds me, probably, well, it doesn't really look like it, but I was thinking of Polar Express. What is this? Welcome to your shift, or bartender. Do not open the door excessively. Don't open. Oh wait, oh my god. Do not leave the door open. Certain customers cannot be served. Lose the? Okay. If the doctor arrives without hands, serve them and take the suitcase. She do not open it under any circumstances. Remain calm and try to not anger the customer, I believe. Keep instincts bro. Oh wait, it's better like this. Do not leave the door open. No. Certain customers cannot be served. Close the counters immediately. If the doctor arrives without hands, serve them and take the suitcase she hands you. Well, how she can... Okay. Do not open it under any circumstances. Remain calm and try not to anger the observer. Keep instincts away by using a light button. Okay. Easy is... what the... Okay. I'm sure nothing terrifying is waiting for us, right? Right? Oh. I ain't paying anything. Button. I can't click it. Oh.
Let's start with the basics.
Ew!
Get me a coffee and a cookie.
Coming up.
Why do I sound like that? Where do I serve?
Power's gone. Go fix the lever outside.
Why are you telling me this? Why? Bro, this guy looks like he hasn't been updated since like 2007. Okay. And he looks like he charges extra for breathing on the train. What am I supposed to do? Oh, yeah. Where's the... Oh. Stop it. Oh my god. The thing keeps moving by itself. Okay, there. We really got to get this kitchen cleaned. Imagine how many rats there's in here. Okay. Oh my god, his eyebrows have more confidence than I do.
Wind up the puppet at camera 2. Don't forget to wind it during the shift.
No. Can you walk away? Walk away. Okay, I have to go to a laptop. I think. Oh. I didn't see that. Okay. Oh, is this like FNAF?
That's it. Try not to die. Joking.
I don't find it funny. I don't find it fun. Did y'all say that, right? What am I supposed to do? But what am I supposed to do? But like, everything seems too normal, and that's what worries.
Hi, I'm on my way to a horror festival. I'm totally worn out from the trip. Hope I didn't scare you, buddy.
Nice costume.
I like how there are other cosplayers in the train. Like the ghost girl. She's really good with acting. When she stares at me. It gives me goosebumps.
You sure it's a costume?
Give me cookie and milk, please, and some water, and some cocktail. It's free, right?
What?
Not sure about that.
Okay, let's go get a cookie. Guys, I think we're doing great. Well, actually, no, I'm not sure. What do I get the milk? Ew, that looks expired. So, is that a koala? Oh no. Where's the glass? Oh. Oh, I need to rewind the puppet thing. And then a cocktail, right? And water. Is that... Is it? Oh. So... Anyway. Mix. Can this thing explode? I used to play this like barista game and I kept shaking and it exploded. Thanks.
Thank you, Mr. Bartender.
Thank you, Mr. Bartender. Bro, leave. Oh, he's dressed like Art the Clown. What the? Oh my god. That thing literally looks like a missed leg day. Wait. No, it has way too many legs. What am I supposed to do if a spider comes over? December, shift 1. Orders 2 out of 5 Monday. Oh my god, this emo scared me.
Listen, bartender. My eyes are up here.
Good joke.
What?
Pathetic. One cocktail and cookies.
All right.
I don't see your eyes. I literally see two black holes from how much makeup you put on. Alright. Did I close the door? Oh, I thought I saw the puppet. Is that it? Oh, right. Everything's completely under control. There, leave. I forgot to cook. Who drinks? Okay. Who knows drinks a cocktail with a cookie? Well, I wouldn't know, but
Jimmy was smarter.
that was a poor try for a jump scare. You know what? We're going to name the puppet. What are we gonna name it? Oh, Patrick? No, wait. What could we name it? You know what? He's gonna be Uncle Toes.
Chilly. As if I've never ridden here before.
Ooh.
It is winter outside after all.
Pour me some juice and a cocktail. And bring some cookies too. I'm a bit hungry.
I didn't ask.
Okay.
Well, I guess it's my job, right? Hi, Uncle Toes. Ooh, orange juice. Orange juice is the worst type of juice. I don't care if you hate on me. Let's shake it. Okay. Oh, the cookie. There you go, Timmy.
It's a pity it turned out this way. But at least the food is tasty.
But what does that mean? But what a lovely train ride. Surely nothing horrible will happen. Oh, I'm not scared. I'm just professionally cautious. Whatever. Who's dying? Puppet.
Hi. It's pretty unusual here.
Doctor,
Sometimes it feels
oh my
like
god, Mr.
someone's
Toes.
watching me.
You see a lot of stuff on trains.
Why it feels like we standing still. Do you feel it?
Maybe you imagined it.
Could I have a cocktail, please? With less ice?
No,
Of course.
you can't. Oh my god. I genuinely need to get Uncle Toes before Bro kills me. Oh my god. Oh, that's the Watcher. Oh, I think he's getting angry.
Great. Just the way I like it.
You see? That other monster that tried to jump scare me should learn from Uncle Toes. I'm scared. What's going on? Excuse me, Mr. Watcher thing. Weirdo. Oh, I can't run. That's disgusting. Bro, what? You just told me to... Okay, finally we're going to bed. Nothing has attacked us in like a minute. New record. Alright. Everything's like too peaceful. And I don't like that. Or maybe I'm just schizophrenic. Go back to the bar counter. Okay. What was that? I just heard like a little trinks. Was I supposed to get jump scared? Oh my god, I forgot he was there. Hola. Anyone there? What am I supposed to do in this situation?
Give me some water. And hurry up, sweetheart.
Don't call me that.
1 minute.
What is this?
Hey you. You look not like all of them. I don't even know why they brought me here.
But
Did you come here alone, dressed like that?
No, a cop brought me here. I don't know why he left me alone. Give me a glass of water and something to eat.
All right.
okay. Wait, does nobody pay? Let's go over here. There.
Great. Thanks. Maybe not everything is lost here after all.
I'm very lost. Wait, why are we carrying criminals here? Oh, let's go get Uncle Toes. This is pretty calm.
I see you. I see everything.
All right.
Give me milk.
1 minute.
Okay. Yeah, does nobody say police? What the? Okay. You know what? We're gonna call that black thing Timmy. Beauty Ma. Where's my dog? Just like, I didn't see you. How did I die? Wait, you're joking. I'm dead. Bro. Okay guys, that's gonna be the end for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment something down below. I didn't expect Timmy and Uncle Toast to snitch on me like that. I don't even know if it was them. Oh no, it was the Watcher. Actually, never mind. Okay. Don't forget to watch my next video. If it's not up here on the screen, you can go into my channel and watch my next video. Bye!